Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a professional Instagram meme page. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, create an Instagram account and open your Instagram profile and tap on this three-line icon to the upper right hand corner. Tap on settings and tap on account. Scroll down and tap on switch to professional account. Tap on continue, and here you have to select a category. I'm going to select in here just for fun, and you can turn on display on profile and tap on done. And if you want to upload your product or if you want to sell your product here, then you have to select your business. And if you want to upload your meme, video, photos, then you have to select your creator and tap on next. And to set up your professional account, you have to complete these 3 steps. Okay, here we can see I've successfully created a professional page, and I can tap on this edit profile to add my website here. Tap on this page to connect your Facebook page with your Instagram page, and you can tap on this contact options to add here your business email, business phone number. You can also add here your WhatsApp and tap on these insights to see here your page overview. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.